sing, their echoes rise on newborn wings. Through hands of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade away. The ghosts of toil beneath the stone still whisper names the earth has known. A spark, a vow in silence sworn to shape the night, to call the morn. Come raise the flame, breathe the dawn. Let the steel remember every song. Through fire and rain, through sweat and bone, we build the world we stand upon. No quiet sings, no banners fly, yet thunder waits beneath the sky. The rhythm stirs, the ground will wake, the future hums in every quake. The old world sleeps, but not for long. Its pulse returns, its spirit strong. The light will bloom from dust and scar to tell the tale of who we are. Come raise the flame, breathe the dawn. Let the steel remember every song. Through fire and rain, through sweat and bone, we build the world we stand upon. From ashes rise, from tears be born. No crown, no throne, yet hearts adorn. The forge will sing, the winds proclaim. No past can bind the newborn's love. lost now. I'm lost now. Paralyzed. morning light is rising across a silent field, where steel and stone are growing, where dreams begin to yield. No noise, no crowd, no anthem, just echoes in the haze. But in the air there's promise, a spark that starts to blaze. The paths are drawn with purpose, the nets are hung with care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the training grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the training grounds, where every step is earned. A home for those who follow, a flame that always burns. Among the grass and silence, where battles once were won, we raise the next beginning, the ground we build upon. It's more than just a surface, it's more than goals and lines. It's sweat turned into purpose, it's blood beneath the pines. A haven for the hopeful, a forge for rising names, a cradle for the fearless, the birthplace of the game. You won't yet hear the chanting, the thunder of the crowd, but something here is growing, determined, strong and proud. The future wants these sidelines, its heartbeat loud and clear. The club becomes a promise, rebuilt year after year. We move across the training grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the trading grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there.